Hello，我们继续来做这个题。现在是2019年2月7号，离我的5本面试还有7天。哇，我更要每天加紧刷题了。So, the question is about how to design search autocomplete system. Design a search autocomplete system for a search engine. Users may input a sentence, at least one word, and end with a special character, hyphen, F. So this is also it's not hyphen. So this is okay. Anyway, so for each character, they type except. I really need to figure out how to pronounce that. 井号 Well, what? This is not Japanese. Hashtag. Oh, okay. So this is hashtag. Okay. So for each character they type except hashtag, you need to return the top 3 historical hard sentences that have prefix the same as the part of sentence already typed. Here are the specific rules. The hard degree for a sentence is defined as the number of times a user typed the exactly same sentence before. The returned top 3 hard sentences should be sorted by hard degree. If several sentences have the same degree of hard, you need to use Autocomplete order, and smaller one appears first. If less than 3 hard sentences exist, then just return as many as you can. So when the input is a special character, it means the sentence ends, and in this case, you need to return an empty list. So your job is to implement the following functions. Autocomplete system. And this is the constructor. The input is the historic data, and sentence is a string array, consists of previously typed sentence. Times is the corresponding times a sentence has been typed. Your system should record this historic data, and now the user wants to input a new sentence, and the following function will provide the next character the user types, and the input C is the next character typed by the user. The character will only be lowercase letters from A to Z, so blank space or a special character. Also, the previously typed sentence should be recorded in your system, and the output will be the top 3 historic hard sentences that have prefix the same as the part of sentence already typed. Operation. I love you, Island. I love leetcode. So 5. So the system has already tracked down the following sentence and their corresponding times. Now the user begins another search. But I love you, Island. I love leetcode. Okay. There are 4 sentences that have prefix I. Among them, Iron Man and I love leetcode have same hard degree, since the empty space has ASIC2 code 32 and R has ASIC2 code, so I love leetcode should be in front of Iron Man. And also, we only need to output top 3 hard sentences, so Iron Man will be ignored. There are only 2 sentences that have prefix. Okay. Put a. There are no sentences that have prefix. Put hyphen. The user finished the input. The sentence should have saved as a historical sentence in your system, and the following input will be counted as a new search. The input sentence will always start with a letter and end with hashtag, and only one blank space will exist between 2 words. The number of complete sentences that to be searched won't exceed 100. The length of each sentence, including those in the historical data, won't exceed 100. Please use double quote instead of single quote when you write test cases, even for a character input. Okay. Please remember to reset your class variables declared in class, as static or class variables are persisted across multiple test cases. Okay. Please remember to reset your class variable. 好，第2遍读题。Design a searchable complete system for a search engine. Users may input a sentence, list one word, and end with a special character. For each character, the type except hashtag need to return the top 3. The hard degree is defined as the number of times the return top 3 should be sorted less than when the input is a special character. It means the sentence ends. Special character is just the hashtag, and in this case you need to return an empty list. You need to return an empty list. The user finished the input. The sentence should be okay. 感觉好像 try 呀，是不是用 try 可以呢？不行，它还有次数，就是你得把次数你也得知道次数啊。那这个 constructor 呢，就是关于一个问题，我要用什么数据结构来存它的这些 historic input 这些 sentence， 我要存它有多少次 times， 我也要存它有哪些前缀。一个字符一个字符的查找啊，那我很难想到要怎么查找。 My current thinking about this question is, first of all, sort this vector according to how many times it appeared, and if the number of times it appeared is the same, so if the height of degree is the same, and then choose the one that has the lower aspect to order. So I will first define a compare class. My compare and here I think I will use something like and then m dot resize to n for sentence I times I, and then sort them, use my customized compare. Yeah, I think so. So here should be pair string int should be const to const. So if p1 dot second not equal p2 dot second return p1 dot second modular p2 dot second, else return p1 dot first less than p2 dot first. Yeah, so if their height of degree are different, then the one that has a larger height of degree should be sorted in the front. But if their number of times appeared is the same, then I should return the one that has the lower, according to the ASCII2 code. So, and then I have processed the historic inputs as sorted. So the only thing that I need to do, yeah. So is it? So I should search. Okay. From the So each time I need to search if there. I think I don't. I think I don't need to save. I don't need to save the input character. I think the only thing that I need is a counter, a pointer to tell me this is the first character and the second character. So I need a count to tell me. So in the beginning, I think the count was 0, and I think it's better to be I. Tells me the index of C in the current input sentence. But still, I need to save this. Because after I've finished the input, the sentence should be saved as a historical sentence. So, okay, so I still need to save the sentence. So I need something to save it. Temp. And here, temp should equal to empty string. And加油加油加油加油加油加油加油加油！好的。So temp equals concatenate temp and the current, and then I need to search from the very beginning of the sorted character. Okay, so the current index should be temp dot size -1. So each time I'll need to search the current character. So okay, and okay, so erase mistake. I think it's better to use priority queue. I forgot how to write priority queue. C++ priority queue. constructor. Priority queue container. So this is the data type of the element, and this is the container, and this is the comparator that it used. Okay. Also, my comparison. So it's my comparison object. Priority queue. Okay, I think so. Here, I think it's better to use priority queue. The data type should be this, the container string int, and then yeah, and then this should be compare. Yeah. So we think dot push, then I don't need to sort them. It says the comparison object, but this is not a comparison object. It's just a class. Okay. It's just a class, and I think here it's also just a class. I think it's my compare. The string is temp. And each time vector string result size less than how many? Less than I think it's three top three. Pop out the first one. How should I here string int current equals dot front. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I think I should first check if result is not empty. If result is not empty, result is not empty. How Let me think. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, how should I? Let's temp size -1, okay, into j equals 0. If j less than without the size if j less than without the size. Okay, so if result j and if result j I equals c equals c, then j increment j increment I oh, I should not increment I, increment j here it should be j less than 3, else我的天，好烦！我得背答案吧，我已经想出思路来了，不能浪费太多时间在一道题目上面。try， 果然用了 try 啊！果然用了 try。等一下 ，priority queue hash map。好长，这个答案好长，看到长的答案就不想写。try 用数组实现的效率问题。哇，这也好长。Anyway， 这个不重要。OK。这个不好看呢，我天！哎，我每次都把这关了。Python 代码字典输 try 是吧 ？try 果然是要用 try 啊，这种查找字符的 言都是会用到 try。查找字符串的。接下来代码吗？代码吗？是的 ，try node。可以。由于要返回前3个搜索次数，所有返回的所有记者和它的次数的键值对时间构造 try tree 主要为 try node 的结构以及 insert 的方法。try node 后，这个系统实际上主要为一个巨大的 try tree。我们需要一个数的根节点，因为我们每次都要输入一个字符，我们可以有一个私有的 node 来追踪。好，我需要休息一下。